Yes.
Yan, no?
What is your address, pa?
Ha? Kain mo na, oh. Address yan.
Sarap.
Ano address mo, guys?
Sausawan.
What is your address?
Eh.
Gulay, guys.
Guys, sarap utan, guys.
Address? What is your address?
Quiet
My
ka muna.
address is number 28.
Uy, ako yun.
Okay, same kayo ni
51
Papa.
Jose Abril Street, Cebu City. Kain tayo, guys.
Kain tayo, guys. Sarap-sarap, guys. Utan, guys.
Tama ka pa.
Ikaw na.
Tama ka pa.
Magpinamot.
Ang kain ko ay
Sarap. Coke on the side.
Kain, guys. Sige.
gusto nyo ang banana. Tapos hindi pa isang
Mukbang. Mukbang rice.
mukbang rice. Alam niyo yun, guys.
Bye-bye na, guys. Ito
Bye-bye, guys.
3 minutes.
3 minutes is your
Wow,
Father's
tagal.
Day. Love you. I love you, guys.
Sarap ng gulay. So
Hangin,
yummy.
guys. Guys, tingnan mo.
Sarap. May batang makulit.
Hi, guys.
Sarap.
Ko ikaw.
Sarap.
Guys, kain, guys.
Wow.
Guys, try ko ikaw.
Sarap
Okay,
gulay.
Thank you. Try nyo, guys.
Sarap.
Try mo.
Kain, guys.
Sarap?
Sarap, guys.
Sarap?
Kain ka
Guys,
na.
konti
Kuha
lang
ka.
ulam ko, guys. Puro lang to kanin.
Mukbang rice.
Patingin dyan. Ma-stop mo na, ma. Ma-stop mo na.
Apo. Oh,
Pag
sarap.
may ginamos, guys, okay na.
Apo. Naay ginamos, guys. Lami, oy. Bye, guys.
Mga 2 minutes nga.
Tagal naman.
Ano na?
Sige.
Kain nyo.
2 minutes na to.
Hanggang 3 minutes yan.
Patay mo nga, ma. Patay na, ma.
Apo.
Patay mo na. Stop mo na, ma.
Why?
Because gusto ko tingin eh.
Later. Dirty.
Palo! Pa! Palo! Diba, cup? Ma.
Sarap talaga ng utan niyo po, guys. Oh, lami, oh. Is that yummy?
Sige, guys.
Ay, sili, guys. Uy.
Try nyo.
Oh,
cool, no?
sarap.
Sarap?
Sarap kasamang isda, guys.
Sarap nyo, guys. Sarap?
Kanin pa more.
Guys.
Sarap. Is that yummy?
Yummy is?
Yummy.
Or?
Sige.
Oh! What do you mean?
Bahaw pa,
Bye-bye na,
bahaw.
guys. Bye-bye na, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Guys.